Unlocking the power of a 1031 exchange, a smart investor's tool for growth and planning. Are you curious about ways you can optimize your real estate assets as an investor or property owner? Let's dive into the world of 1031 exchanges, a savvy approach that allows you to sell investment properties and defer taxes by reinvesting the proceeds into another property. Imagine maximizing your funds and it continues for your growth instead of paying taxes upfront to the government. Novel idea. The primary allure of a 1031 exchange is the ability to defer those taxes on capital gains. This gives you the full amount to reinvest in a new property, ultimately enabling you to grow your wealth and more efficiently over time. It's akin to giving yourself a financial advantage as you are able to reinvest more of your own money into more opportunities. However, using a 1031 exchange requires adherence to specific guidelines. After the initial property sale, you have only 45 days to identify that potential replacement property, and a total of 180 days to finalize the transaction. These timelines, I cannot express, are crucial, and engaging with a professional can ensure a smooth process. Another exciting perk is its flexibility. You can exchange different types or similar properties, be it a rental home or a commercial building, allowing you to reshape your property portfolio to meet your investment strategies and market movements without immediate tax concerns. Furthermore, a 1031 exchange can be strategically advantageous for your estate planning. Property owners can perpetually exchange properties during their lifetime, potentially bypassing capital gains taxes altogether. Upon inheritance, heirs may receive a tax benefit, alleviating potential financial burdens. A 1031 exchange also serves as a step towards acquiring more valuable real estate. By climbing that property ladder, you enhance your portfolio's overall performance, aligning your assets with your financial objectives, whether that involves scaling up, diversifying, or exploring new markets. In essence, integrating a 1031 exchange within thoughtful investment strategy can significantly boost your investment returns, bolster your wealth, and refine your property portfolio in alignment with your long-term financial aspirations. This approach, it's a compelling option, maximizing real estate investments. Take this moment to assess your portfolio and consider your future in real estate. By connecting with me, you're not just planning transactions, you're engaging in a partnership to explore and personalize strategies that align with your goals. Let's explore how 1031 exchanging can enhance your investment plan and unlock potential growth.